Hello and welcome to episode 6 of Lockpicking with Nick. I'm Nick, and today I will be attempting to break open this Master Lock 150. If you're new to the channel, please check out the video description below, and let's begin. So, get the timer out, and let's start. Okay, stop. This master lock was picked in 10 seconds with very little ease. So let's try that again. So we'll lock it, reset, get everything in there, and begin. Okay, maybe it was a fluke the first time. Oh, there we go. And that time it took me about 24 seconds. So either way, this lock is not very good at all. But thank you for joining me. If you like what you see, please subscribe.